little upstart F company named Tesla threw a lithium-ion battery pack and electric motor into a Lotus Elise and called it the Roadster. It was the very first model to bear the Tesla badge, and it was the first highway illegal series production all-electric car to travel more than 200 miles in a single charge. Now, nearly 10 years and several remarkable models later, Tesla is at it again, revealing a second-generation Roadster in a surprise debut alongside its new all-electric semi-truck. While it's still several years away from hitting public roads, Tesla dropped a variety of specs and numbers for the Roadster 2.0, and long story short, this thing is shaping up to be an absolute monster. If it really can do everything that Tesla CEO Elon Musk claims it can, the second-gen Roadster will set numerous performance records, including quickest to 60 miles per hour, quickest to 100 miles per hour, and quickest in the quarter mile. And that includes internal combustion-based production vehicles, by the way. It'll also set new standards for EVs in the realms of range per charge and top speed. This is faster than insane mode. This is faster than ludicrous mode. This, dear readers, is straight up Plaid. While we knew Tesla had a new Roadster coming down the pipeline, few would have guessed what it might be capable of. We even put together a speculative piece about a potential Tesla supercar a while back, but it turns out the California automaker combined the two ideas into one incredible world beater. The point of doing this is to just give a hardcore smackdown to gasoline cars, says Musk. Driving a gasoline